If you're someone who enjoys chatting, you spend a lot of time online discussing with people, then you're going to love this one, because in this video I want to show you a secret website where you can earn between $100 to $300 every week chatting with people. Now, you don't believe me? Look at this. Let's look at how much you can earn your first week. So in your first week, you'll be sending between 25 to 35 messages on average per hour. At this rate, if you work between 15 to 20 hours per week, you earn between $110 to $170 at the end of the week. So yes, you can chat and make money from this website. If you wait to the end, we are going to discuss the exact thing you will do on this platform to earn this amount of money every week. I will give you a link to create a free account immediately after watching this video. I will also give you expo on how to pass the test, because at a stage in the application, you'll be asked to put in your motivation. I'm going to show you exactly what to write that will get the attention of the admin and lead to you securing this opportunity. We talk about payment methods, how to withdraw your money once the payment is made. And then finally, I'm going to show you results of people who are already making money from this platform. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chiamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money. So if you're looking for videos on how to make money working from the comfort of your bedroom, you're watching the right video. And in today's video, I have something amazing for you. Go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it. I want to be your friend, so connect with me. That said, let's jump straight into what we have today. Here is the website, and it says become a chat operator and work from anywhere. Now, if you are self-employed and you can type, then you are the right person for this job. Let's look at the basic things you need to know, and then we go on to make an application. There are 3 simple steps it takes to get this done. First is to make your application, as already promised. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you a link to create a free account for yourself. So you're going to click on this link. The first part of the application is only asking you your name and your email address. Once you supply this, then you will receive an email that confirms your application. The next step is to get the ID verification. You must be over 18 years to qualify for this job. Third step is to go on and take the online training. Yes, you are going to receive training once your application is accepted. You are going to be taught exactly what to do, how to do it step by step by a personal coach, and even create accounts where you're going to do the job, as well as your payment account for you. So it doesn't matter whether you're just starting or you've not even had experience as a chat operator for the first time, because all the training, all the skills you need will be given to you during this training. It takes about 3 hours to go through the online course that's going to give you the basic knowledge, and then the coach takes up from there. Next thing is, what kind of chatting will I do to earn this kind of money? Well, this is the simple explanation. We help thousands of lonely Americans every day to have a more meaningful everyday life by expressing themselves online with anonymous fantasy character. So basically, you are going to be chatting anonymously. Nobody's going to see your face. You're not going to do video calls. It's just a chat. Now, this chat cut across different topics, and that's why you need to be versatile. This whole thing is happening on a fantasy website. Our users write online text messages to fictional people on a fantasy chat platform. Your job is to answer them and make conversation. You will chat about everything from everyday life, such as sports or weather, to dreams, fantasies, and other topics. So what are the requirements? Well, as a chat agent on this platform, you will be 100% anonymous, which means the person you are chatting with don't get to see your face. So if you're a shy person, if you're camera shy, you don't like showing your face, this is a perfect job for you. Now, here comes the most important question. What is the salary? As a chat operator, you will work as an independent contractor and therefore have full freedom and flexibility to work as much or as little as you want. You can also work from anywhere you want, as long as you have access to the internet and have a PC. On this platform, there are different ways you get rewarded. First, the basic salary is calculated based on how many messages you send per day. And then how much you make per message you send depends on a number of factors. Them are time of the day the message is sent, traffic, holidays, and even more. An average person earns between $100 to $300 every week. Of course, the more time you spend replying to messages, the more money you make. So here are bonuses you stand to gain from this platform. If you send over a certain number of messages, recruit a friend, or work at peak hours, you have special bonus sent to you. What do you need to get on this platform, secure this job, and start getting paid for chatting with people? The first one is your English language skills. You need to be fluent speaker. Now, you are going to be chatting with Native Americans, so it makes sense that you know how to speak and write English very well. The second condition is that you must be 18 years and above. Please, if you're not up to 18 years, don't sign up, because you're going to be submitting your ID to verify that you are up to this age. The third condition is to agree to the privacy statement and contract terms. This platform is basically you chatting with people, so they want to make sure that you are somebody who can keep secret, because the client might discuss with you a personal thing, so you need to agree to privacy statement on this platform. This way you agree that you are not going to divulge any information given to you by the client. The fourth condition is the equipment or tools you're going to use to work on this platform will be provided by you. And that is just your smartphone, your computer, and internet connections. And then finally, you need to send a minimum number of messages per week to maintain active account. So you don't just sign up and disappear into the thin air. They want to make sure that the staff on this platform are very active and that they are engaging with their clients. The ID verification. I already mentioned that you're going to be submitting your ID to verify that you're up to 18 years. Now, there are two types of IDs you need to get approved on this platform. The first one is the Smart ID, and the second one is driver's license. So if you don't have the Smart ID, go get yourself your driver's license, because you will need to submit it before you are approved to start any money on the platform. How much you can earn per week from this platform. We pay out salaries on a weekly basis, and the payment is in euro. Guys, you'll be earning in euros just chatting with people, replying messages with your computer. Let's look at how much you can earn your first week. As a new chat operator, you will use some time to learn the system and what you will chat about. So in your first week, you'll be sending between 25 to 35 messages on average per hour. At this rate, if you work between 15 to 20 hours per week, you earn between $110 to $170 at the end of the week. Then in your second week, with more experience, you get faster at sending messages. You'll be earning between $220 to $280 at the end of the week. Then from fourth week moving on, you're almost an expert. You will earn $340 and above. If you look at this place, you see people that are already making money on this platform. You can see what they have to say. Now, the next step from here is to go on and put in your application. So you need to come over here and click on go to application, and then it's going to open to this page where we are going to submit our basic details. What is required here is to put in your name, your first name, email address, then you send in your application. Once you send in your application, you're going to get an email from them. So at this second stage of application, this is where you're going to put in more details about you. One of the key things you are going to be asked at this stage is to put in a motivation. Why should we employ you? You are required to tell them something about you that will make them approve your request. So this is the expo. The first one is the skill. You need to convince them that you have the skill that is required of a chat operator. For example, you can say, I have experience as a chat operator. I have worked for XYZ years chatting with people, and I'm very competent communicator. The second thing is emotions. You are going to be chatting with people, so you need to show that you know how to relate with people. So you can go on and say something like, I love to help people. The third thing you should cover is communication. It is stated clearly here that you need to be fluent English speaker, because you'll be chatting with Native Americans. Saying something like you are a native speaker or that English is your first language helps a lot in boosting your status. Finally, your carefulness. You need to state clearly that you're a careful person who is going to adhere to rules and regulations of the platform. These are the basic things you need to cover in this motivation. With one sentence each, you mention all of these in a paragraph and you are ready to go. The next is to be assigned a personal coach who is going to teach you, hold your hands, and train you everything you need to do, everything you need to know to start working on this platform. Your personal coach is going to create 2 accounts for you. The first account is the work account, and then the second one is your payment account, which is where they are going to send the money to you. Another thing that is required in this process is your Skype ID, because this training with your coach and everything will be done via Skype. So if you don't have a Skype account, now it's time to create one. And of course, Skype is free. Finally, the payment. How do you get paid? How do you withdraw your money? The first one is direct transfer. The second option is Wise. They also pay through BitSafe. The name of this platform is Remotely For You, and the link to sign up is contained in the description of this video. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. See you in my next video. Bye.